Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share with you an unboxing and a first look of a new pair of earbuds that I got, and these are really nice as far as inexpensive, not that super inexpensive but goes, but I was really intrigued to see this design with this case here, and for the price point I could got them. A 40-hour case is, in my opinion, a really great purchase. So the brand is Lamax. Tones1 is the model name. You see the quick feature sheet here. So the connection is Bluetooth 5.3, 8 hours on single charge of 1 baht. Then the 32 is in the case. Touch control, yes, clear rich sound, microphones. It uses the ASC, so the advanced audio coding, and it has a automatic pairing feature, of course, and USB-C charging cable. And it's designed by Lamax Electronics. So let's open it up. And this is also a great gift, in my opinion, a great option if you would like to give somebody like me a pair of phones. Here is the manual, so let me show you the wireless technology, of course. Here is the battery, 30 milliamp hour, 300 is in the case. Charging headphones 60 minutes, charging time for charging station 85 minutes, 4 grams is the weight, 36 is the whole package here. As we have a LED notification, multifunction button, so it's touch sensitive, plate right there, microphone, yeah, and you are getting a small USB-C cable here. Lamax Electronics. So here's the case itself. It has a really nice matte black finishing. It's probably the serial number, and on the bottom is the charger port. As you can see, they are taped so that you don't lose the charge. I don't know if they are charged or not. We'll check it out in a minute. So let me show you the case. Oh, it's really nice, because usually you have configuration in which you only open the top part and then you have to fumble around them, or sometimes you get the flat opening, so you get the whole portion here. So this is a really nice combination of these, basically these two designs. So let me just take down the tape here. We'll put them in the case. Okay, so it does blink here, so let me bring out my second phone here and let me see if something appears on the Bluetooth menu. So I open them up and I see nothing. So let me take them out. Nope. Nothing visible. Let me put them back. So they're obviously charging. Maybe they will. Maybe they were fully drained. I don't think so. They should go into the pairing mode. It looks like nothing happens. Okay, maybe I have to charge them, so I will pause the video, charge the case, and come back. Okay, so I put the case on the charger, and let's take out the buds. And it takes around 8 to maybe 9 seconds to be fully paired. This is how it looks like. So Lamax tones1, I got 80% battery. So definitely the case was obviously charged, not to full extent, but the buds had to be charged a little bit. So the configuration, we are looking at semi in-ear buds. So this is more style like the Apple AirPods. The half of the bud is completely lacquered, so smooth finish, and the second part is a little bit matte. It helps a little bit to retain it in your ear. And as far as the sound quality goes, I can say they are definitely not bad. They feel a little bit tinny, and you have to be around 76, maybe 80% of the volume to really enjoy the music. But as far as the construction goes, they feel really sturdy in my ear. So when I'm walking around, wobble my head, they are definitely not falling out. And if you are one of those users who cannot have in-ear earbuds because maybe you don't feel good, then this is also an option out there. So as far as pricing goes, these are priced at around $30 or 28 euros. But I had a really nice discount code, so my price was around 17. So at 17 euros or under $20, if you can get them, they're definitely nice. As far as the case goes, just for comparisons, here is my JBL. This is the model Wave 300, which are one of my favorite semi-ear-in construction buds here. As you can see, really similar. And here's the comparisons with the Galaxy Buds Fun Edition, which are my daily drivers. These are obviously full in earbuds. So size-wise, the case is even smaller. Even to have the capacity of 14 hours, I'm really impressed. Obviously, you do not have any kind of ANC, so active noise cancellation for this price point, and also no wireless charging. But yes, if you have around, if you can get these around $20, then I would say definitely go for them. They're definitely decent. The design of the case is really interesting. But yeah. So this was a quick unboxing and overview of the Lamax tones1 through wireless semi-in-ear earbuds. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not subscribed, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.